Imagine waking up one morning and realizing you can't get out of bed without someone's help. For millions of older adults, this is no longer a distant possibility, but a painful reality caused by a silent epidemic that's stealing their independence. Age-related muscle loss. In just the few minutes it takes you to read this, nearly 40 seniors will be hospitalized due to a condition that is completely preventable. Nursing homes are overcrowded, families are being pushed into crisis, and the scariest part, most people don't even realize what's happening until it's too late. But what if I told you there's a way to slow down or even reverse this muscle loss? A study from Harvard Medical School discovered that certain familiar foods contain special compounds capable of reactivating muscle regeneration, even in people in their 70s or 80s. And the most surprising part? Some of the foods on today's list might not even be in your kitchen right now. Yet in clinical trials, they outperform prescription medication. In fact, 5 out of the 8 foods have shown more noticeable results than medication, helping to restore muscle mass that many doctors still believe is permanently lost. One specific food even stopped muscle loss in 9 out of 10 people in just 6 weeks. Now let's explore 8 powerful foods that help protect your muscle mass after age 60. Number 7 will surprise you. Number 1, Greek yogurt. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for older adults who need to maintain muscle mass. The protein content in this type of yogurt is doubled thanks to a straining process that removes excess liquid, resulting in a more concentrated nutrient profile. A 6-ounce serving contains around 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, a key factor for preserving muscle mass. Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting type that steadily provides amino acids to the muscles over several hours. This benefit is especially suited to older individuals and becomes even more effective when consumed before bedtime, as it helps reduce muscle breakdown during the overnight fasting period. Additionally, Greek yogurt is high in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, essential minerals for maintaining strong bones and ensuring proper muscle function. It also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, an area increasingly shown to be important for nutrient absorption and inflammation regulation, both of which play crucial roles in muscle preservation. Choose plain Greek yogurt for the best results. Avoid pre-flavored varieties as they often contain too much sugar. Instead, opt for full-fat, unsweetened versions and add your own flavor using berries, nuts, or a bit of honey. It is recommended to include Greek yogurt in your diet 3 to 4 times per week, especially as an evening snack. Number 2, whey protein. Whey protein is considered the most effective food to address age-related muscle loss in older adults. This protein is derived from milk and contains the highest leucine content of any natural food. Leucine is an essential amino acid that plays a direct role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscle tissue. Whey is especially beneficial for seniors due to its extremely fast digestion and absorption, which rapidly increases amino acid levels in the blood, an important factor in counteracting anabolic resistance. A study from McMaster University showed that older adults who consumed whey protein maintained muscle mass 40% more effectively than those who consumed the same amount of protein from regular food sources. In addition to protein, whey also contains bioactive peptides that enhance blood flow to the muscles, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all key factors in preserving muscle as we age. The cysteine in whey supports antioxidant production, helping prevent oxidative damage. For optimal effectiveness, consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, preferably within 30 minutes after physical activity. Choose whey isolate or concentrate that is minimally processed and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're sensitive to dairy, hydrolyzed whey may be easier to digest. You can mix whey with water, milk, or blend it into a smoothie. Number 3, lean beef. There is no better combination of high-quality protein and essential nutrients than what is found in lean beef. A 4-ounce serving of beef contains about 25 grams of complete protein with an amino acid structure particularly suited to human muscle tissue. Beef is rich in leucine, which activates the mTOR pathway, a key pathway for muscle protein synthesis. Older adults need more leucine to achieve the same muscle-building effects due to their reduced sensitivity to growth signals. Beef also provides creatine, a compound that increases muscle volume and energy storage. The body's ability to produce creatine declines with age, making food sources more important. Additionally, beef offers high bioavailability of iron, zinc, and B vitamins, necessary for energy metabolism and oxygen transport. If you want to maintain muscle mass without compromising heart health, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or round, and limit intake to 2 to 3 meals per week. Each serving should be 4 to 6 ounces. Grass-fed beef offers added benefits due to higher omega-3 fatty acids. Number 4, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer a superior nutritional combination to help maintain muscle mass. The omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, reduce inflammation, a key factor contributing to muscle degradation. A 4-ounce serving of salmon contains about 20 grams of complete protein. Omega-3s increase the sensitivity of muscles to protein, making it more effective in stimulating growth. Research shows that older individuals who ate fatty fish twice a week experienced significantly less muscle loss over a 3-year period. Fatty fish also contain vitamin D, which improves muscle function and strength. Consume fatty fish at least twice per week. If preparing fish is difficult, supplementation with high-quality fish oil can help, although whole foods are superior. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile and cost-effective foods for maintaining muscle mass. While many focus on egg whites, the whole egg offers the ideal combination of nutrients for aging muscles. A large egg contains complete protein and leucine, which stimulates muscle protein synthesis. The yolk contains about half the protein and essential nutrients like choline and vitamin D. A study from the University of Illinois found that consuming whole eggs after exercise triggered a 40% greater muscle-building response than egg whites alone. Previous concerns about cholesterol have been debunked. Moderate egg intake, up to 7 per week, does not increase heart disease risk. Include 1 to 2 eggs daily, especially at breakfast. Hard-boiled eggs are also a convenient snack for older adults. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Though lower in protein than animal sources, they help preserve muscle mass. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are especially beneficial. A quarter cup of almonds provides 6 grams of protein and magnesium, crucial for muscle contraction and energy production. Walnuts are rich in ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, which supports testosterone production. Vitamin E in nuts acts as an antioxidant, shielding muscle cells from oxidative damage. Consume 1 to 2 ounces of nuts and seeds regularly. Choose unsalted varieties and portion them in small containers to avoid overeating. Number 7, berries. Berries might not seem directly related to muscle protection, but their high antioxidant content plays a vital role. Aging muscles are vulnerable to oxidative stress, which contributes to degeneration. Anthocyanins and polyphenols in blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries protect muscle cell membranes and mitochondria. A study at Tufts University found that blueberries improve physical performance and muscle recovery in older adults. Berries also influence cytokines, which help manage inflammation. Dried berries or berry-based snacks are a healthier alternative to desserts. Number 8, olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains compounds that combat age-related muscle loss. Though not a protein source, its anti-inflammatory properties are essential. Oleocanthal, found in olive oil, acts like ibuprofen to reduce chronic inflammation that leads to muscle breakdown. It also enhances insulin sensitivity, which helps muscles use protein efficiently. Monounsaturated fats in olive oil support hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone. A study from the Freedom Project showed that older adults consuming olive oil daily as part of a Mediterranean diet had better muscle strength and lower frailty rates over 5 years. Consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily. Use it in dressings, drizzled over vegetables, or in low-heat cooking. Store it in a dark bottle away from heat and check the harvest date for freshness. These are the top 8 foods to help you maintain and even rebuild muscle mass after age 60. Muscle isn't just about appearance. It's the key to independence, balance, metabolism, and a healthier life. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not just slowing muscle degeneration. You're actively improving your future. Now it's your turn. Which of these foods have you already tried? Have you noticed improvements in strength, energy, or mobility? Share your story in the comments below. We're always here to listen and support you. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the Health Hack channel, and turn on notifications to keep discovering science-backed ways to live healthier, starting with the smallest things. Thank you for reading. See you in the next one.